Hi, my name is Jamero Blue, and today I'll be talking to you about assignment 13 from my management statistics class, course 239. Today's date is December 2nd, 2016. The teachers gave us a problem and a set of questions to solve along with the problem. The problem: Shorty's muffler advertises it can install a new muffler in 30 minutes or less. However, the Work Standards Department at corporate headquarters recently conducted a study and found that 20% of the mufflers were not installed in 30 minutes or less. The Maumee branch installed 50 mufflers last month. If the corporate report is correct, question 1: how many of the installations at the Maumee branch would you expect to take more than 30 minutes? Question 2: what is the likelihood that fewer than 8 installations took more than 30 minutes? Question number 3: what is the likelihood that 8 or fewer installations took more than 30 minutes? And lastly, question 4: what is the likelihood that 8 of the 50 installations took more than 30 minutes? So, question number 1: how many of the installations at Maumee branch would you expect to take more than 30 minutes? So, when solving this problem, you basically just multiply the 50 which was given in the problem, which is the 50 mufflers that it took to install, and you multiply that by 0.2 because 0.2 is 20%, and 20% of the mufflers were not installed in 30 minutes. So you get the answer of 10, which is basically the same as the mean. Question number 2: what is the likelihood that fewer than 8 installations took more than 30 minutes? So for this problem, it'll be expressed as P parentheses X less than 8, and this is the cumulative distribution. I added up the individual probability distribution for x equals 0, x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3, x equals 4, x equals 5, x equals 6, and x equals 7. I did not include x equals 8 since it said strictly less than. So the answer I came up with, P parentheses X less than 8 equals 0.19 or 0.19. That was my rounded answer. Question number 3: what is the likelihood that 8 or fewer installations took more than 30 minutes? Similar to what we did in question 2, I added up the cumulative distribution of x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3, x equals 4, x equals 5, x equals 6, x equals 7, and x equals 8. This time x equals 8 was included. So my answer was P parenthesis less than or equal to 8 equals 0.2981. If we were to round this, it would be 0.3. Lastly, question number 4. What is the likelihood that 8 of the 50 installations took more than 30 minutes? This question wants us to find it when it's exactly x equals 8. So P parenthesis x equals 8 equals 50, 8 multiplied by 0.2 with the exponent 8 times 0.8 with the exponent 42, and I came up with P parenthesis x equals 8 equals 0.1087. The sources I used was my Statistical Techniques and Business and Economics book, the 15th edition. Thank you for watching my video.